Imagine the aroma of juicy seared lamb smothered in aromatic ginger, garlic, spices and seasoning, completed by the addition of fresh Sukuma Wiki. If you're looking for a quick and easy recipe that is healthy and doesn't compromise on taste, this recipe is for you. Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. To make this delicious recipe, find the ingredients in the description below and follow these simple steps. I heat some oil and add the lamb. The meat released a lot of water, however, the aim was to sear the meat. I bought this from my local butcher. These tiny pieces of meat are perfect for this recipe because it doesn't take too long to cook. I add salt and black pepper to taste and mix to combine. The salt also draws out the excess moisture from the meat. I keep stirring and add crushed ginger and a seasoning cube. I'm using a chili beef cube, but you can use any seasoning of your choice. I also add coriander powder and garlic powder and continue stirring until the water is reduced. At this point, I add the onions and tomatoes, followed by roughly half a cup of water. I mix to combine and cook this on high for 5 to 8 minutes or until the water has significantly reduced. I now add the sukuma and cover it for 2 minutes or until the sukuma has wilted down. I mix to combine, adjust salt to taste and cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes. Our Sukuma Wiki is now ready and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. I served it with white rice, but it also goes well with ugali. It was super delicious and not as spicy as I thought it would be. If you enjoy this, please like, comment and share this video. And for more of my simple recipes, remember to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you are alerted every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and bye for now. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video.